أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Alhamdulillah. We shall now start with the last section in this chapter, section 4.4, الحروف غير العاملة الحروف غير العاملة, non-governing particles that don't make Arab changes other, but there's a whole bunch of them that we have to get to know. There's 13 of them. Non-governing particle الحروف غير العاملة. It's just that you have to get to know them, even though they don't cause any problematic changes, in other words. But so these are, just go to the list over here. الحروف حروف التنبيه. These are particles of notification. حروف التنبيه. And then the next is الحروف الإعجابي. الحروف الإعجابي, particles of affirmation. Particles of affirmation, like نعم, yes, بلا, أي, عاجل, جيري, in. So yes, basically this is like basically like yes, those type of particles. And then and harfa tafsir. Harfa tafsir, there are two of them. There's a harfani, this is mudaf construction, so the noon here is dropped, so it's harfani or harfa tafsir, particles of clarification. And then the next is al-huruf al-masdariyatu, particles that used to give meaning of a masdar. Al-huruf al-masdariyatu, particles used to give the meaning of masdar. And number 5, huruf tahdid. This is the interesting one. Particles of exhortation. Particles of exhortation. Huruf tahdid. Try to pronounce that one. Huruf tahdid. And then we have huruf tawa حروف التوقع. حروف التوقع. That's a good one too. حروف التوقع, particle of anticipation. There's only one of them. قد حرف, that's why حرف التوقع. حرف التوقع. That's قد. حرف التوقع, particle of anticipation. And there's حرف, there's two of them. حرف الاستفهام, particle of interrogation, like that's like هل أنتم, and there's two. حرف الاستفهام, particles of interrogation. And then number 8, حرف الردع, particle of rebuke, like كلا, that's that one. حرف الردع, particle of rebuke. And then there is tanween. And then number 10 here, نون التأكيد. And then there's حرف الله, then what meaning comes in it. And then there is الحروف الزائدة, extra particles, الحروف الزائدة. And then finally we finish off with حروف الشرط, شرط التي لا تجزم. حروف الشرط, those particles that are used for shart but do not cause a jazm. حروف الشرط التي لا تجزم. It's a long section, of course, but we shall start slowly, inshallah, one step at a time. So first of these is al-huruf غير العاملة. The first of this is huruf tanbih, particles of notification. This starts on page 137 in my textbook. So particles of notification. These are used to draw attention to the listener. Okay, so these are used to draw attention to the listener. Okay, so these are used to draw attention. So maybe we just draw attention, like, in a different color, right? Maybe used to draw attention, right? Draw attention to the listener. Okay, so that's what they do. And these are as follows. Okay, these are as follows. There are, maybe I'll write them here. There are ala, and then ama, okay, and there is ha, okay. Their meaning is like low, okay. Ala, behold, and take heed. These are in the Quran all over the place, right? Okay, so these are ala. These are cool words. Harf tanbih, attention words, like low. they bring attention. Okay, حرف التنبيه. ألا إن نصر الله قريب. Oh, I love this. Look at this. ألا. Okay, حرف التنبيه. ألا, indeed. Okay, إن نصر الله قريب. Okay, قريب. Behold, indeed, Allah's help is near. Okay, they don't put exclamation point, so I won't put exclamation. Behold. Okay, so here, this behold is Allah. Okay, Allah, behold. Okay, lo, behold, look, take heed. Allah inna nasrullahi kharib. Ama zaydun na'imun. And then there is this one here, ama. I wish they give an Quranic examples here, this, but ama, we're going to have to use zaydun here. Ama zaydun na'imun. Na'imun. Okay? Behold, Zayd is sleeping. Look, ama zaydun na'im. Ala, ama, ha. Okay? Okay, and then there's ha. Ha, ana. Okay, ha, ana. Ha, dirun. Okay, lo, I am present. It's like, hey, look, I'm present. Okay? And then there's haza. Okay? This haza. This. Okay? So this, so they make a note over here. The actual ism ishara is only this. Okay? That's the actual ism ishara. Okay? So the actual ism ishara is the za part of it. Okay? While the ha is harf tanbih. Okay? Whereas this ha is harf tanbih. Okay? Then B in harf tanbihin. So that's actually harf tanbih. However, in common usage, the whole is referred to as ism ishara. Okay? Okay, that's so this is ism ishara, right? Okay? We know this has it, but it's actually the za is the ism ishara, but the ha is harf tanbih. But in general, the whole thing is referred to as ism ishara. In general, okay, in common practice, okay, in common usage, okay, in common usage, the whole is referred to as ism ishara. Okay, all right. So that's the first one. The first one of this. Number 2. Okay. Harful ijab. Huruful ijab. Huruful okay. Ijab. Huruful ijab. Okay. Particles of affirmation. Okay, basically, yes, these are used for affirmation of a statement made earlier. Okay, used for affirmation of statement made earlier. Okay, all right, let's list these. Okay, na'am. Okay, na'am. Bala. Okay, bala. Ay. Okay, and A ajal, A and ajal, and jairi, jairi, and inna. Okay, these are the ones. Okay, so so yeah, so these are particles of affirmation. So we talk about one of these at a time. So na'am, alright, na'am, which means yes, of course. It is used to confirm a statement, but be it positive or negative. Okay, used to confirm a statement. Okay, be it positive or negative. Okay, for example, if someone says Aja Zaidun, did Zaid come? The reply is Na'am, meaning Zaid came. If someone said Ma Ja'a Zaidun, has Zaid not come? The reply is Na'am, that means he did not come. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so Bala, Bala. Okay, yes, this is yes, why not? Okay, yes, why not? Okay, it is used to convert a negative statement into a positive one. It is used to convert, okay, a negative statement, okay, negative statement to a positive one, to a positive one, okay. So if someone says alam yaqum zaidun, did Zaid not stand? The reply would be bala, yes, why not, meaning qad qama zaidun. So if someone says, for example, okay, lam yaqum 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 zaidun, okay, alam yaqum zaidun, did Zaid not stand? Did Zaid not stand up? The reply will be bala. Okay, okay, which means yes, why not? Of course he stood up. Okay, yes, why not? Of course he stood up. Meaning قد قام, indeed, قد قام زيد. Okay, like that. Okay, that's that. And then we have أي, which means yes. Which also means yes. It is the same as na'am. Okay, same as na'am. Alright. However, it is used with an oath. However, okay, let me put that differently. However, okay, however, it is used with an oath. Okay, after how would you use the oath? Qasam, after a question. Okay, oath is qasam. Okay, qasamun, after a question. If someone says Akhama Zaydun, did Zayd stand up? The reply be Ay wallah, yes, by Allah. Okay, okay, so if, for example, Akhama Zaydun, so that's a question, right? Did Zayd stand up? Okay, did Zayd stand up? The answer would be Ay wallah. Okay, the answer would be Ay. Okay, so this is it's I wallah. It's kind of funky. It's iwala. Okay. Iwala. It's iwala. Iwallahi. Okay. Yes, by Allah. Iwala. Iwallah. Meaning Qama Zaydun. Meaning Zayd stood up. Okay? Yes, but okay. So that's A. Okay, and then finally these three. Okay? Ajal. There's Ajal. And there is Jairi. And there is Inna. Okay? They all mean yes. Okay? They all mean yes. These have the same meaning as nam. Same as na'am. Alright? If someone says Aja'a Zaydun, the reply will be Inna, Jairi, or Ajal, meaning yes. Okay? Inna is very rarely used for this purpose. Okay? Inna is very rarely used for this purpose. Okay, but they just mean yes. So Aja Zaydun, you could say Ajal, yes he did. Aja Zaydun, you could say Jair, which means he did, yes he did. Aja Zaydun, you can say Inna, yes he did. Okay, that's not a common use. Okay, that's that. That's pretty cool. And then that's the second category, and the third category. So third category of particles, harfa tafsir. These are two particles. Harfa at-tafsir. Okay. Harfa tafsir. Particles of clarifications. Okay. These are used to clarify a word in a sentence. Okay. Used to clarify a word. Clarify a word in a sentence. Okay. So these are I. Okay. And an. Okay. Which means that is. That is. You say that is. Okay. For example. Was'al. Was'alil qaryati. Was'alil qaryata. أي that is أهل القرية. Okay. واسأل قرية. Ask the town. Ask the town. واسأل القرية. Ask the town. That is, you clarifying, أي the people of the town. أهل القرية. People of the town. So, and here's another example. وناديناه وناديناه ناديناه. Okay, and then there's un here. and nahw ya Ibrahim. Ya Ibrahim. Okay, and we called him, that is, O Ibrahim, and we called him, that is, O Ibrahim, O Ibrahim. Okay, so that's that. So these are particles of clarification, means that is أي or أن. وصل القرية أي أهل القرية. وصل القرية أي أهل القرية. أي وناداه أن يا إبراهيم. Okay. Okay. So that's number 3, and okay, and then all right. So maybe I'll go on to number 4 here. Up on the top, we're running out of space. We'll go over here, and I'll see how much room we have here. So we'll start over here, maybe. Okay, we'll try to do a little bit more. Okay, and 1 second. Okay, the 4th one is al-huruful masdariyah. Masdariyatu. Okay, huruful masdariyatu. Particles used to give a masdari meaning. Okay, particles used to give a masdari meaning. These are 3. Ma, an, here's an again. Ma'an and anna. Ma'an and anna. Okay, ma and an come before jumla fi'liya. Okay, so these come before jumla fi'liya. Okay, come before jumla fi'liya khabariya. Okay, and jumla ismiya khabariya. And inna, okay, it comes with jumla ismiya khabariya. Okay, so anna comes before. So ma and an comes before jumla fi'liya khabariya, and this one comes with jumla ismiya khabariya. Okay, okay, biruh biha hatta. Okay, so example. We'll give an example. Okay, hatta. Okay, hatta. Okay, hatta إذا حتى إذا ضاقت. حتى إذا ضاقت عليهم حتى إذا ضاقت عليهم الأرض. Okay, بما okay, بما رحبت. Okay, بروح بها. So in the meaning of be روح بها. Okay, until when the earth became strained. حتى إذا ضاقت. So this is a translation. Okay, ضاقت became strained. Became upon them the earth. حتى إذا ضاقت became strained. بما رحبت. بما رحبت. Okay, now this is Rahubat is like fi'l madi, right? But bima rahu, it becomes as a masdar despite its vastness. Okay, so the translation of this is until when the earth became strained for them despite its vastness. Okay, its vastness. So that's one example. Another example, yasuruni and thus, okay, yasuru, no, and yasuru, yasiru, yasurru, ni. I can tell how much Arabic I know. Yasurruni an tasduqu. Tasduqu. An tasduqu. Sidquka. Your truthfulness pleases me. Yasurruni an tasduqu. See, this is fi'l mudari, see? But it's an tasduqu becomes truthfulness. Your truthfulness. Okay? Your truthfulness pleases me. Okay? And balagani anna zaydan na'imun. Okay, so balagani anna zaydun na'imun. Okay. News of Zayd sleeping reached me. News of Zayd's sleeping. News of Zayd sleeping reached me. That's what that means. Okay. An and anna are governing particles. Okay. But they want to bring to attention that an and anna are governing particles. And tasduha, which is, I made a mistake here. And tasduha. These are governing particles. Okay? So an and anna are governing particles. So this an and anna, they do make a difference. They are governing particles. Okay? So that's like a note that you have to make, that these two an and anna are governing particles. Okay? Alright, because right here they make i'rab changes over here. Okay. Inshallah, I will stop here and continue with the rest, inshallah, next time. So today we have covered al-huruf غير عاملة. If we start with huruf tanbih, particles of notification, ala, ama, and ha. We talked about that. Ala inna nasrullahi kharib, ama zaydun na'imun, ha ana hadirun, like the haza. And then we talked about huruf al-i'jab, particles of affirmation. I'jab, yes. Na'am, bala, ay, ajal, jayri, inna. So those are all mean yes. And then we talk harfa tafsir, particles of clarification. I mean, that is ay, an, okay. And finally, the fourth one we talked about was حروف المصدرية, particles that give the meaning of masdar, ma and anna. Okay, but these two are particles. Now ma and an comes with jumla fi'liya and anna comes with jumla ismiya. Okay, until next time, assalatu wassalam, rasulullah, assalamu alaikum.